What's going on, folks? So we're going to put together an LN-EXO Gen 3 case and cradle. We're going to make sure everything fits, docks up, all the tolerances are tight, everything locks into place. Before we take it and strip it all down, we put it in the dip tank to degrease it into acetone, and then from there we put it in the oven. We bake it to get all the rest of the grease to the surface, and then we'll put it in the bead blaster and start sandblasting it and get it all prepped for Cerakoting. With the Cerakote, we can do a number of colors. We use the E series primarily. We can also do the H series on the front rails if you want to add some different colors up front. But you can go on Cerakote's website and look at all those colors and decide on what you want. From there, we can put anything on this thing to match your ride. So right now we're going to let that soak overnight, and we're going to come back in the morning and then throw it in the oven here and kick off the degassing process. Alright, it's day 3. We got everything prepped, everything racked. We're about to put it in this makeshift paint booth over here and get it sprayed up with Cerakote. We're going to use the Blackout E series, which is this guy right here. Show you how it goes. That's it. That is us putting a finish on one of our LN-EXOs with Cerakote. You can check out Cerakote's website. This is the E series, which is their hardest, thinnest paint coating that they have. You can check out the colors on there. We can do any color you want in the E series all the way around. You can also look at the H series. And the H series, there's a lot more color options. And if you want to dress up these front rails or do anything special up front here with different colors on there, let us know, hit us up, and we can make it happen. All right, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button down there. And if there's a specific video that you would like to see, whether it be training, any of our hardware or anything like that, just let me know in the comments and we'll get it out to you. Have a good one. Later.